Hello guys, let me introduce you to lock door mode, which I will publish today or tomorrow. So basically this mod is very simple and it requires the universal admin lockpick, which is set in the config CPP. This will be your probably most important file to edit, because you can set up your new lockpicks for certain cases. Like you can see, I have like 3 lockpicks which automatically set the key into the config file. You don't need to use those types. You can use the admin lockpick and it will automatically create an entry in the config file, but you will need to manually set up the key class names and stuff like that. You can, for example, here you have the keybase class, which has some properties. If you are not aware of those, I would strongly recommend to study and get some like information about what those parameters mean. So I have multiple key types. You can use these or you can create new. It's up to you. You can also use different models from different modes. You can use the vanilla models, whatever you want. You can make, for example, the key cards, which are also planned to be in this mode. So let's see how it works. If you turn on your server for the first time, the config file will be generated, but it will have only an example object. But you can take the admin lockpick and lock some random objects. I will show you how it behaves when you already have some data in your config file. So this particular gate, which is yeah, it's this one. What it does, when you press -1, -1, and -1 in the building position, it will take all the buildings, all these types on the map. So basically I have set the police station key required for these gates. You can set up the notification icon, which I forward to CRDTN core mode. I have about like 80 icons inside the mode. They are shared on the Discord. They just distinguish by the number. You can set up if there should be a notification sent to all the active players in the game. If it has alarm, what is the action text shown when you have the key in your hands and you just stand nearby the gate. Also, you can set up the notification text. You can set up that you send the notification only to the client who is just opening the gate. You can set the notification header and the alarm sound. There are 4 sounds in the CRDTN core, and you can get these values on the Discord or in the documentation of CRDTN core. And the last thing, you can set up the unlocking time. For each doors you can have different duration of the unlocking. So let's see. So I need the police station key. Yeah, you can see these gates have strange action, collision. And there is a doppler effect, so they are spatial, these sounds, and based on your distance you hear the sound differently. All these sound sets have now 400 meters set. Yeah, you can see these doors are so closed, so yeah, this has, for example, 10 seconds to unlock, so it takes longer. You'll see the notification has been sent to all the players on the map. You can set the icon, so if it's the alert or some kind of informational notification, you can just set it up. Let's say we would like to close this door. I hope that it can be closed. I was just testing this map. It's called the Zone, and it's really impressive work. It has really friendly community, and you can talk to them. They share the config files. It's really nice because it's not very common on this stalker field. So yeah, those doesn't have any closable doors. Maybe this does it have? Yeah, for the showcase there won't be any interactable doors at the moment. It's like these are also not closable. Okay. I'm sorry, I have a sore throat, and yeah, let's see this gate. So this gate, can it be opened? No. What's that? Yeah, for example, okay. So nice vanilla building. Just close the doors. So yeah, you can take the admin key. Close the door. And they are immediately closed to all the players, and the logic is applied during the runtime. As you can see, yes, this is the thing which was now generated. And you can see I have the universal admin lockpick, so the key universal is automatically set to the door. It has by default set the alarm and the alarm sound, so now when I use it, I think I have a typo in the sound set right now, so this default sound won't probably work. Okay, it works, so nice. Have multiple doors. Now, if you want to set them that all of these doors will be locked, you can set the -1, -1. Actually, only these doors will be locked in every building of this type. If you want to have like more locks, you need to lock each of them. So that's for the doors. And yeah, you can use that also on the custom doors from the mods. Like I have seen some spawnable door types, gates, whatever. you can use it on every object which is type of house, or like house node struct. So basically the static objects on the map. Yeah. So that's it for the nice simple mod. Yeah, and if you haven't seen, I have published the Phantom animals yesterday. There is coming also the controller, but we'll see how the time management will go, because there is still a lot of work all around. So it took some time to publish this mod, but I hope it will be very helpful. I think that these kind of mechanics are nothing complicated, and if you have any like suggestions or some requirements which you would need to add, for example, this config file can be easily modified, and I can add some kind of custom values. I was thinking about adding some more text-based stuff, like for example giving the exact location in the notification where it is, or something like that. So we'll see, maybe I'll add some additional value to just like customize the notification more. So yeah, don't forget to check the config CPP and do the proper overrides for your need. You can use the keys, and there are a couple textures, and if there is something missing in the documentation or on the Discord and you would be interested on how it works, let me know and I can share this with you. So yeah, enjoy and stay tuned. See you.